In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently manage text and objects on your computer by using the cut, copy, and paste functions. These basic yet powerful editing techniques can save you time and effort when organizing your documents or data. Let's dive right into how you can use these features to streamline your workflow and enhance your productivity. Let's start with the cut function. Cutting allows you to remove the selected text or object from its original location, so you can place it somewhere else. Imagine this like a pair of scissors. You're going to cut something out of one place and move it to another. First, you need to select the text or object you want to move. Simply click and drag your cursor over the desired section, ensuring everything you want to move is highlighted. Once it's selected, if you're using Windows, you'll press Ctrl and the X key simultaneously. If you're on a Mac, you'll use Command and the X key. This action removes the item from its original spot and places it on your clipboard, ready to be pasted wherever you need it in your document. Just position your cursor at the new location, and you're ready for the next step. Next, let's discuss the copy function, which creates a duplicate of your selected text or object without removing it from its initial position. This is particularly useful if you need the same content in multiple places. Start by selecting what you wish to copy, the same way you select for cutting. With your content highlighted, press Ctrl and the C key on Windows or Command and C on a Mac. This doesn't disturb the original content. Think of it as a rubber stamp that allows you to replicate the content elsewhere. Once you've done that, place your cursor where you desire the duplicate to appear, and you're almost done. Finally, let's talk about pasting, the magic moment when what you've cut or copied gets inserted exactly where you want it. To paste your content, place your cursor at the spot in your document where you wish the content to appear. Then, on Windows, press Ctrl and the V key, or on a Mac, use Command and V. Your text or object will then appear right where your cursor is located. These three simple commands, cut, copy, and paste, form the backbone of effective document editing. By mastering them, you can make large changes quickly and efficiently. Whether you're moving chunks of text, duplicating datasets, or organizing objects in graphic designs, these functions will serve you well. Practice using these commands, and soon they'll become second nature to you, boosting your productivity in countless ways. Thank you for watching, and happy editing!